One. I should probably start like a college cooking series with this. But anyway. Hey Canto Crew, welcome back to Canto Housewife. If you're new here, I'm Karen and I share easy recipes and my Hong Kong mom's life in the US. I have the biggest news ever to share. Instapot just named me Chef of the Year and I'm still shocked, but I'm very humbled and honored to receive this award. Instant Pot just sent me my gift, and to celebrate, let's open it together. I don't know about you, but after I turned 25, I feel like the most exciting thing to do is opening new appliances. So out of all the products, this is what I picked. I got the 4-Tax Plus air fryer that have a clear window. And also this I have been wanting to get, which is the multi-cooker with the air fryer. So it has the air fryer lid plus like a separate detachable pressure cooker lid. So let's open this baby up and see how it goes. But first of all, thank you. This truly isn't just about me. It's about all of you guys that have been cooking with me, testing the recipe, and filling your kitchen with the smells that I grew up with. From Hong Kong classic to easy one-pot dinner, you guys helped build the Canto Crew that make cooking such a joy. When I started sharing recipe, I would never imagine that our little kitchen would turn into this. And Instant Pot, who have been in my life since college and in my kitchen using it every single day, is recognizing us with this award, and I'm beyond grateful. And this little one is what I started with. It's a three quad dual mini, and I have it since college. I make instant noodle with it. I didn't really have a kitchen, so everything under the sun that I cook with, you can just imagine. I should probably start like a college cooking series with this. But anyway, all right, let's open this baby up. I apologize in advance. My kids are in the background eating, so they might make a lot of noises. But hey, this is what I will show you, my realistic Canto housewife life, right? Adjusted the angle so you can see the top better, but when you open the box, first we got the brew plate, inner pot. Of course, we got the user menu. And this one is the lid for the air fryer. The lid holder for the air fryer, I mean. All right. There's the inner air fryer pot holder. Okay, this is the steaming rack. It's adjustable, like that. I can't hold it. Okay, let's start with the small stuff first. This looks like the This is the air fryer lid. You can see the fan in there. And this one have a handle like that. They just sit on this holder when it's done. So you can just place it maybe this way, like that. Then this one itself is the whole air fryer. Woo! Very exciting. Oh, that tastes so good. Yeah! Okay. Yep. You can hear the kids in the background, and that's my daily life. Okay. So this is the inside. So this is the inner pot. What I like about the Pro series is that the inner pot have handle. So when you're doing saute, it wouldn't move around. But always so nice when it's first used. Then inside there is the warning. All right. This is more warning. This is how big the air fryer pot is.
When you're using the air fryer mode with the air fryer lid, you just click this one inside the groove and use it with the lid.
Ta-da! This part come off, and you can clean it like this. So it is that clear valve, so this side is sealed and this is vent. Closer look. So seal and vent. This is the whisper quiet valve, which is different from what the old one looked like. I'll show you in a second. Alright, so this is everything we have out of the box. The air fryer lid, the regular pressure cooker lid, the steam rack, the grill plate, the air fryer basket, and of course the unit and the instruction menu. This actually have a pin and it just sit on it. And it just press down like this. This is what it looks like. Alright, whisper valve. Alright, next let's open the Vortex Plus. So this is the newest version of the air fryer they have. It comes with a clear window, which is very cool. So let's open this baby up. Alright, so top is the air fryer grill plate. Alright, as usual, we also have a user menu. It's actually lighter than I thought it would be, which is good. There's a filter in here, so it's supposed to take out all the flavors. This is how big the inside look like, and this is the clear window. Okay, so this sit in there, just like that. If you never have shrimp toast like this with a whole piece of shrimp, this is your sign. I made this with the air fryer, and all you need to do is dip. This is my childhood memory. So good. I'm honored and excited to be selected at the first Instapot Chef of the Year challenge, and we're the April winner. I just got this from the mail. This is our gift basket, and let's open this baby up. So the first thing we won is the Instapot Pro Max, which is the newest, smartest Instapot that they have. And it have an app control and 10 function in there, including sous vide. So let's open this up and cook up some nice stuff. Okay, right out of the box we get the recipe, instruction menu. Next we got an extra ring. It's nice if you cook sweet and savory stuff so they won't mix together. And of course, whoa. Oh, it's a removable drip tray. I like this. Okay, in case you don't know, it can be like this, inserted. Ooh, the inner pot have a handle, which I like. Have a little steam basket thing that it can be used two-way. The tall and the short way, I guess.
They packaged the gift basket very well. I got a note card, some stickers, 2 kitchen towel with the Instapot Chef of the Year logo, a plate, the apron, a pin. We also got the official silicone spring foam round pan that have a glass bottom so you can put it in the dishwasher and it's durable enough for you to cut food. Next is the silicone steamer set, which gotta be one of my favorite because now I can make steamed rice and 2 dishes in the same pot. So make sure you check out my 1 pot 2 dishes series and let me know in a comment if you want another episode. And finally, we got the chopping board with their Instant Pot logo on.
Honestly, I feel like the kids on Christmas morning. Thank you Instant Pot for the award, and the most importantly, thank you Canto Crew for making this community special. Your comments, your subscription, and your support is what makes this all possible. Now that we have all the Instant Pot and the air fryer, you know I'm gonna cook a lot of good Hong Kong comfort food that is coming your way. So let me know in a comment what you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and check out my playlist. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.